Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous video, we were talking about color maps. Today we'll be talking about contour maps, which are pretty similar. Instead of the pcolor method, you use the contour method. So let's recreate the example from the previous video first. So here are our imports, our x and y values. Now we use the mesh create method from numpy to format the data accordingly, and then we create a z using a function like this. And now we have the x, y, and z values, which we can use to create the color map. So pcolor x, y, z, and we get the following color map. So this is what we did in the previous video. And now let's change it to a contour plot. So instead of pcolor, let's use the contour method and the same three arguments. So this time we get something like this. Now, just like with the color map, you can set the cmap argument to one of the predefined values. So for example, BWR, blue, white, red, and we get another contour. Or, for example, dark 2. This will give us something like this. Or hot. Hot is really hot. Now, you can also set one color by passing a single value to the color's argument. Then positive values are represented by solid lines and negative values by dashed lines. So let's set it to black and we get this. Here positive values are represented by solid lines, negative values by dashed lines. You can also specify more than one color. So let's specify two colors, black and red. And you will get this, black and red. We can also create a contour plot with the spaces between the lines filled. To this end, we use the contour F method. So instead of contour, contour F. And here the result looks like so. So the spaces between the lines are filled. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.